Who bought your toy? Who bought your toy, Ovi? Where did you buy your toy?
At
Where?
in the market.
Who bought your toy? It's?
Green!
No, who bought your toy ba? Kisa nag-buy?
Ate.
Oh. What will you say to ate?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go play. Play ka. Ah, guba! Ah, guba! Ah, guba, be?
No!
Ah. Give na ko babies outside, ha? Guba man! Oh.